अगर तुम सीएससी स्टूडेंट हो और तुम्हें लगता है कि कोडिंग सीख के तुम्हारा करियर सेट है, तो एक सेकेंड रुक जाओ। बिकॉज एआई कैन ऑलरेडी राइट कोड, डीबग कोड, एक्सप्लेन कोड, बेसिक एप्लीकेशंस भी बना सकता है। तो फिर एक क्वेश्चन है, क्या फ्यूचर में कोडर्स की जरूरत नहीं होगी? Let's be honest, AI has completely changed the way we code. You can give an AI a problem and it can generate a solutions in a second. You can paste an error and it can explain what's wrong. You can ask it to optimize your code. You can even describe an application you want and AI can help you build that. And honestly, that's crazy. But here's where things get interesting. So real question. If AI can do all of this, then why would a company hire a developer? And this is where I think a lot of CSE students are misunderstanding the situation. The problem is not AI that can write code. The problem is thinking that writing code is an entire job of a developer. Because imagine I tell you, build me an app. AI can generate thousands of lines of code. But what exactly are you supposed to build? What problem are you going to solve? What database should you use? Is that code actually secure? What happens when something breaks? And most importantly, how do you know whether the AI is even correct? What should CSE students actually learn? So, if you're a CSE student right now, what should you actually focus on? First things first, fundamentals. Don't just copy AI generated code, understand variables, functions, data structures, algorithm, and how your programs actually work. Second, problem solving. Because knowing syntax is one thing, knowing how to solve a problem is completely different. Third, databases and real world development. Learn SQL, learn Git and GitHub, understand APIs, build projects, and fourth, probably the most important one, learn how to use AI properly. Don't treat AI as something that's going to write your entire assignment. Treat it like a tool. Ask it to explain. Ask it to find bugs. Ask it to give you different approaches and then actually understand what it's giving you. And I think this is going to create a huge difference between two types of programmers. The first person says, AI, write a code for me. The second person says, here's the problem, let's figure out the best way to solve it. That's the difference. AI can generate code, but understanding why that code should exist in the first place is still incredibly important. So instead of trying to compete with AI at writing code, learn how to use AI to become better at solving problems. So, is coding dead? Honestly, no. But the way we learn coding definitely needs to change. Don't spend months on just memorizing syntax. Build things, break things, debug things. Understand what are you doing and use AI as a tool instead of depending on it completely. Because the future probably is not going to be human versus AI. It's going to be human who know how to use AI versus human who don't. And if you're a CSS student like me, I think it's better to start learning that now. See you in the next one.